Launched on September 10, 2024, this budget-friendly device is packed with features that are hard to ignore. So, is the Galaxy M05 really the best bang for your buck? Let's find out. The new Galaxy M05 continues that trend, bringing a good mix of performance, camera quality, and battery life, all for just 7,999 Indian rupees. Now, let's break down what makes this phone special. First up, the design. The Galaxy M05 keeps things simple yet practical. With a plastic frame and glass front, it weighs just 195 grams, making it easy to hold. It's also thin, measuring 8.8 millimeters thick, so it fits comfortably in your hand without feeling bulky. At this price, it's clear Samsung focused on keeping things budget-friendly while offering a design that feels sturdy and reliable. The 6.7-inch PLS LCD screen is a major feature of the Galaxy M05. While it's not a full HD display, the 720 by 1600 resolution provides good color and brightness for everyday tasks like browsing or streaming. If you're someone who watches a lot of videos or plays casual games, this display will get the job done without costing a fortune. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor and 4 GB of RAM, the Galaxy M05 offers smooth performance for daily tasks. Whether you're switching between apps, browsing social media, or even playing light games, this phone handles it well. It's perfect for someone who needs a phone that can keep up with their daily life without slowing down. Plus, with Android 14 and One UI Core 6.0, Samsung promises up to 2 major software updates, keeping the phone fresh for years. If you enjoy taking photos, the Galaxy M05's camera won't disappoint. The rear setup includes a 50MP main camera that captures detailed shots, especially in good lighting. There's also a 2MP depth sensor to add that smooth, blurred background effect to your portrait shots. For selfies, you get an 8MP front camera, which works well for social media photos in well-lit environments. One of the biggest selling points of the Galaxy M05 is its massive 5000 mAh battery. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or using social media, this phone will easily last you through the day. And when you do need to charge, the 25W fast charging makes sure you're not stuck waiting around for long, something you don't often see in this price range. Although the Galaxy M05 doesn't support 5G, it comes with solid 4G LTE connectivity, which is more than enough for most users. It also has dual SIM support, so you can easily manage 2 numbers on the same device. With 64 GB of storage and the option to expand it via a microSD card, you won't have to worry about running out of space for your apps, photos, or videos. To sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy M05 is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable smartphone that doesn't compromise on the essentials. From its reliable performance and solid camera to its all-day battery life, the Galaxy M05 offers fantastic value for its 7,999 Indian rupees price tag. If you're in the market for a budget phone that delivers where it matters, this might just be the one for you.